Hey guys, this is a sequel to my last video on wall insulation. I used Reflectix to insulate a cold wall from interior without opening the wall. I had a great result. Wall temperature increased by 6 to 7 degrees. And then I went ahead and wallpapered over it. The wall looked fantastic. You couldn't tell there was an insulation underneath. And I left this corner intentionally. I wanted to test what happens if I use 2 layers of this product, but I had to get another tool to be able to shoot longer staples. Stay with me if you want to see what happened. My new stapler arrived in the mail. Got it from Amazon. It's also a nail gun, which is great because I needed a new nail gun anyways. This is the size of the staple I used previously, and this is the size I got now. It's more than enough. They sent me 3 of these and also a bunch of 18 gauge brad nails. I think at the end of this video I will test nailing function of this brad nailer. So I'm going to fold some thin strips of Reflectix to fur out the wall. Purpose of furring this wall out is to provide some air space between 2 layers of Reflectix as per manufacturer's recommendation to increase the R value of the product. In other terms, to get a better insulation. Stapler is working great so far. It's kind of satisfying to shoot staplers with this actually. Both sides are furred out now. Let's test the surface temperature before I lay the second layer. It's around 60 to 62 degrees. Somewhere between 60 to 62 degrees. So this is the last step. I'm putting the second layer of Reflectix. All done. Now time for the big reveal. So we had 62 degrees just about 15 minutes ago, and nothing has changed. Outside temperature is same, inside same, and look what happened. It's about, testing 70s. Yep, it's 70, 72 even. Wow. It's quite impressive. Yes, big boost. Definitely big boost. 74. Especially this wall before I started to put any insulation at all, it was around 54 to 55. Now it's a big improvement now. Loving it. I'm loving it. This is a good way to stop heat loss, especially in the old houses. It's easy, not intrusive, cheap, DIY. I guess this is the way to go. Let's test the nail gun function. Just remove the battery. Very easy to use to change the staples to nails. And now let's do it. Right here. Nice. Very nice. If you found any value, please don't forget to like and drop me a comment if you have any questions or anything to say about my video. And thank you for watching. Here are the links to my other insulation videos. See you there.